Are you glad to be back at school? Yeah. What did you miss the most?
Playground.
The playground. You missed the playground? Yeah.
School is back in session for elementary school students on Pine Island after missing 16 school days because of Hurricane Ian. Here is a look back at some of the damage from the storm. There were downed trees, a piece of roof on the ground, and some flooding in the outdoor play area. At first, many were not sure when the school was going to open because the storm destroyed the only bridge connecting the island to the mainland.
And when we got the word that our school was ready to open, we were met with open arms from the faculty, our staff, and of course when we communicated out to the students, they were more than happy to come back to Pine Island.
Principal Dr. Thomas Millins showed Superintendent Dr. Christopher Bernier around the school, where they saw classrooms filled with enthusiastic students.
How many people were excited to come back to school? Was that because you missed school or you missed Mr. Beamer? Who said both?
Me.
That is the right answer. So you need to teach everybody else that has always...
Right down the road from the school, a different look. You can cross the bridge now, but when you pass through Matlacha, there are buildings that have significant damage. Some are off their foundations, and construction crews are trying to clean up and rebuild. Some families and staff members were affected by the storm, but the staff wanted to make sure their Pine Island family was safe.
When we did come back at our reunification meeting, all of them came back, and it was a great time for all of us. We laughed, we cried, we hugged. We just made sure that family atmosphere continued throughout the whole reunification meeting.
How are you?
I am doing well. How are you? You do. That's okay.
Most students are back in the building, but no matter what situation students are in, one first grade teacher told us she wants to be helpful to her students.
I supply them with whatever they need. If they need gas, if they need propane, if their family needs sheets for their new beds, if they need towels, if nobody could find size 7 pants, I go find size 7 pants.
While the island rebuilds, Pine Island students and staff are inspiring each other and showing resilience as the community rebounds from Hurricane Ian.
I think the Pine Island community is just such a unique community. Just having the kids back and seeing their teachers and seeing their administration and all the staff members, it just brought such smiles to all the kids' faces, and they really wanted to get back to some type of normalcy.
Teaching is a calling. You know, you have to love what you do to do it. You do it because you love the children and you love to teach and you like to learn new things, and the kids teach you something every day.
I'm Adam Hodjost with Lee Schools TV.